This year we are very excitedly talking to people about our new facility where we've just moved from our old lab, which was a 4,000 square feet lab. We're now in a purpose-built 15,000 square feet showpiece laboratory. Our old lab was actually right in the centre of Aberdeen, which meant even just getting deliveries and all that, it was quite difficult. So it's now right beside the airport in an industrial estate there. We've gone more automated, we've got more equipment, our capacity is tripled, a lot more capability to do all of our premium digital lenses. Sustainability is quite a big important thing for us as well, where I was able to now just get fully automated micro separator system that takes a lot of the waste from the machines, separates it from the water. So this really helps reduce our sort of waste from lens production as well. Our edgers are MEI edgers, so we don't use water to cut lenses anymore. We have this ability to just have this amazing site to really move to the next level for us now, and for us it's just to be able to tell people we've always made these fantastic digital premium lenses, but now we can just do it on a much bigger scale. We've increased the size of our AR coat department as well, so we can do much more AR coats than we did before. So it just gives us that capacity, reliability, and be able to offer a much quicker service to our customers as well. So really excited to do that. So it's been an amazing site to do. And let's say on stand we have a VR headset, so you can actually have people right inside the lab so they can walk about. It really gives a really good sense of the wow factor from it as well. So the site itself gives us the ability to grow as well because it's future-proof, so if we ever need to expand further, we can upgrade machines, we can take on more equipment, whereas in the last location, we was limited to what we could do for that. So the future's bright for us. We're still making high-end digital lenses, but this now on a much grander scale. For us, we deal with independent opticians. We've seen that the market's changing. We want to be able to deliver the same quality of lenses that they're using elsewhere and just give them that options. So we really see that Caledonia can grow an independent market within the whole UK. So it's an exciting time for us, and this is why we're here to tell people we can make amazing products, we can deliver lens options for the independent opticians in the UK.